Welcome to MathZip. This video I am going to solve a equation by using the method of substitution. It's a very important for any kinds of competitive examination, especially IGCSE grade 7 to 9. Let's start. Given equation ax plus by equals to ab, which is equation 1, bx plus ay equals to ab, this is equation 2. So we are going to find out the value of x and y. Let's start. From equation 1, from equation 1 we have, so here is ax plus by equals to ab. This one we can write ax equals to ab minus by. Then we can divide both sides by what? A, right? So x equals to ab minus by divide a. This is equation 3. Now we will putting this value to equation 2, right? So we can write now, putting x equals to ab minus by divide a in equation 2, we get what? So here is bx plus ay equals to ab. So x means ab minus by divide a. B, here is ab minus by divide a, and plus ay equals to ab, right? So we can write this one once we make multiplication, ab square and b square y divide a plus ay equals to ab. Now we can make a LCM, which is a. So here is ab square minus b square y plus a square y, right? So now equals to, here is a b. Then we can write here ab square minus b square y plus a square y equals to, we can make cross multiplication, so here will become a square b. We can write in here. So this is y and y, we can keep one side, so a square y minus b square y equals to, here is a square b and minus ab square. So we can take common y, so here is a square minus b square, and here we can take common ab, right? ab, so here is a and here is minus b. Then we can write like y equals to ab times a minus b divide a square minus b square. So here is ab, a minus b, against a square minus b square we can write a plus b times a minus b. So a minus b and a minus b out, answer will be ab divide a plus b. This is equals to y, right? So we get the value of y, which is ab divided a plus b. Now we will put in here equation 3, we will put the value of y, right? So we can write like so, putting y equals to ab divide ab, a plus b in equation 3. So 3 x equals to ab minus by divide a. So ab minus b, y against y we can write ab divide a plus b and divide a, right? Now here is ab minus ab square divided a plus b divide a. In numerator we can make a LCM, which is a plus b. So ab times a plus b and minus ab square divide a, right? So here we can write a square b plus ab square minus ab square, and this is a plus b times 1 by a, right? So in here we can write, look, ab square out. So here is a square b and here is a. So here this a square and this a out, we will get ab divide a plus b, and this is our answer. So x and y are become similar value, x y equals to ab divide a plus b and ab divide a plus b. So this is very interesting math and important math. Grade 7 to 9 any competitive examination, you should keep concern about plus minus, because sometime once we exchange left side to right side or right side to left side, that time we make silly mistake. That's why we will not get perfect number. So be careful about this thing. No more today. Please subscribe my channel, which is MathZip, and share with your friend. Thank you.